హాయ్ వ్యూవర్స్, ఫాలో అవుతున్నారా మన ఛానల్ని? ఫాలో అవ్వకపోతే ఫాలో చేయండి ఫర్ మోర్ అప్కమింగ్ వీడియోస్. థ్యాంక్ యూ ఫర్ వాచింగ్ అవర్ ఛానల్. Hi viewers, in this class we are to learn about trigonometric function in IB examination up to with digits 1 8 mark, 1 2 mark, 1 1 mark, total 11 marks. In this we are to learn about most important problem in this topic, that is prove that cos x plus cos y whole square plus sin x minus sin y whole square equal to 4 cos square x plus y by 2. Solution. In this we are to take LHS. LHS equal to cos x plus cos y whole square plus sin x minus sin y whole square. In LA plus we know that the formula is cos c plus cos d equal to 2 cos c plus d by 2 cos c minus d by 2 and sin x minus sin y, sin c minus sin d formula is 2 cos c plus d by 2 sin c minus d by 2. Here c equal to x, d equal to y. We use these formulas and these values in above equation, then we get 2 cos x plus y by 2 cos x minus y by 2 whole square plus 2 cos x plus y by 2 sin x minus y by 2 whole square. Then we get 2 square is nothing but 4 cos square x plus y by 2 and cos square x minus y by 2 plus here is 2 square 4 cos square x plus y by 2 and also sin square x minus y by 2. In these two terms we get 4 cos square x plus y by 2 common in these two terms. Then we take common, then we get 4 cos square x plus y by 2 into remaining term is cos square x minus y by 2. Here remaining term is sin square x minus y by 2. And also we know that cos square a plus sin square a equal to 1. We use this value, then we get 4 cos square x plus y by 2 into 1 equal to RHS. Equal to, therefore cos x plus cos y whole square plus sin x minus sin y whole square equal to 4 cos square x plus y by 2.